Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Today we're taking a look at a very subtle but clean pair of Jordan Retro 3s, the Retro 3 Midnight Navy. The shoe was released on December 16, 2023 at a retail price of $200. The Air Jordan Retro 3 Midnight Navy features OG-inspired color blocking that recalls the iconic white cement colorway from 1988. The classic silhouette dons a white tumbled leather upper, bolstered with the shoe's iconic elephant print overlays at the forefoot and heel. A Jumpman logo in Midnight Navy embellishes the tongue and molded back tab. The mid-top rides on an air-assisted polyurethane midsole, finished in white, with a contrasting splash of navy at the heel. Resale on Retro 3s isn't really high, typically, especially GR pairs, but I can see these doing well over a long time frame. Right now some sizes are sitting even below retail, and the highest price size is a 12.5 or a 14 for around $225 to $250. I grabbed these for a friend because he doesn't have time to buy shoes, and I'm just charging him retail, but it's always cool to look at these pairs in hand before they go out. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support and have a great day.